The LincPlus T4 promises to be an affordable multimedia consumption powerhouse tablet that you can also use for productivity. Therefore, it ships with a nice half case that can be also used as kickstand, and above them all, also with an active stylus that can be put onto the case. This pretty large 11-inch IPS display comes with a good resolution and offers a good 400 nit maximum brightness. Thanks to the various angles that you can achieve with the included case, it is also perfect for writing notes or even drawing something with the included pen. The only thing that you have to do is download an application for doing so, because by default it ships with a very empty and clean Android experience that also offers you a lot of space that you can work with in this included 128 gigabytes. Only 14 gigabytes are used by default. If you need more space than the included 128 gigabytes internal space, you can just with the included SIM tool insert a microSD card up to 2 terabytes. Sitting on the couch and enjoying your favorite Netflix shows or YouTube videos is no issue at all with this tablet. With its 4 speakers, you get also pretty loud and good clean sound.
I didn't know then, but we took every precaution.
Of course, for those Netflix, Amazons and other streaming services, it comes therefore with white wine level 1, so you can enjoy your shows in the highest resolution possible. In general, this tablet runs smooth, has all the default vanilla kind of Android features, and has also Google Assistant built in. Wie ist das Wetter morgen? That works just fine and fluid. However, you will see that the MediaTek Helio G99 is an entry-level processor, so in benchmarks it will not score so high. It is enough for media consumption, but for real hard work like multimedia creation and video editing, this won't be the tablet for you. But it doesn't mean that it's impossible, so easy, very basic video editing might be possible as well, and you can export it in QHD 1440p max resolution. Basic games in a lower resolution, less detail are also possible on this device, like Asphalt Unite, as you see here. Can tap to speed, yes. So yeah, it's a bit of grainy, it's a bit of like not having the highest graphic there, but it's able to play those games, and definitely what you expect for 250 euros. You don't expect it to be like the next gaming console. But talking about gaming consoles, exactly this might be something that should have enough power still to emulate maybe your older Super Nintendo, Game Boy, and maybe even PlayStation 1 games adequately. Battery life shouldn't be an issue, no matter what you're doing. If you're heavily media consumption, of course it is running a little bit faster dry, but if you're just taking notes for lectures or such things, it should last you pretty long, like 10 to 15 hours is what is advertised, and 10 hours is definitely something that you can reach with this tablet. With the included 20-watt charger, you can charge it up in a little bit than 1 hour and 20 minutes. The back-facing camera has 13 megapixels and features autofocus, but I wouldn't use it for anything serious here. Hiding on the front bezels is the 8 megapixel front-facing camera, and this one can be used for video conferencing calls and such things without any issue. The video quality is quite okay. This is now a sample with the front-facing video camera. What do you think about this one? Also, I'm using the internal mics, So what do you think about the quality here? I think for a video conferencing call, this one can be used pretty nicely, but I would require or recommend you to use external microphone because the internal mics might be a bit weak. Overall, the LincPlus T4 is what it says, a very affordable, good media consumption device that can be also used for productivity with the active stylus and an application that you can install like for note-taking or drawing something. It comes with vanilla Android, which is a plus, I would say, and you can install whatever you like to. Basic gaming is possible as well, as long as you don't want the highest graphic power or the fastest refresh rate, because this display can only support 60 Hz. I like that it doesn't have the thinnest bezels, so I can really grab onto it without mistouch or touching something and doing something that I really don't like to do. Overall, this device is, I think, a pretty affordable and good tablet device. The Helio G99 is nothing that can be used for real good multimedia production, like video editing or highest games. But overall, I think for the price, the value that you get here is pretty damn good. If you're interested in the LincPlus T4, I will put down a link below so you can check out even more. This is a short video format, a short review of the LincPlus T4. If you're interested in a more longer, lengthier video, you can check down a link below. And until the next time, bye.